case is that speaker is having 3 or 4 petitions before him. He is going by sequence. Whoever has filed earlier, he has taken up that petition earlier, and he seized of all this petition, and he has decided to go in a particular manner, and he is hearing the matters. So in that view of the matter, whether the High Court can now say that no, because this petitioner has approached the court, his petition should be taken in a time-bound manner. Such a course of action, according to us, is not permissible, and the speaker is entitled to decide which petitions to be taken up first and which should not be taken up first, or which should be taken out after some time. So that is a discretion of the speaker, and the court should not interfere.
पहिली काँग्रेस प्रदेश अध्यक्षान घाल्लो अर्ज तडीक लायता म्हूण प्रतिवादी सभापतीन हायकोर्टात जाप दिल्या. 8 आमदारांतले दिगंबर आणि मायकल अपात्र थारल्यार गिरीशाच्या याचिकेक मागीर अर्थ उरना म्हूण सभापतीचे म्हणणे.
That is one of the possibilities. So therefore all those possibilities should be left before the speaker. Why the High Court should have a preemptive step and tell the speaker saying that you decide this petition first, or this should be decided in a time-bound manner, and when the speaker is seized with the other matters and he is taking up the matters and the matters are parted before the speaker, why should the court interfere at this stage?
हायकोर्टान फुडली सुनावणी 6 एप्रिलाक दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.